So the blend tool is quite a fun tool. It allows you to transition shapes and colours between two or more objects. So we have one object here, which is a line, and another one here, and you can see that Illustrator is transitioning between the two. The blend tool is a live tool, meaning that you can change its colour, shape, position, and the blend will be updated live. So let's have a play. So I'm going to select my 2 points of the black line and change it to pink, and you can see that that is happening live. If I move to alter the shape, and I can also change its position. Okay, so let's have a play with how this works. So the first thing that you need to do is create two objects to blend between. So I've created one line. So the first one I'm going to make black and change its thickness. The second line I will make white and make it thin. Okay, so select my two objects and go to Object, Blend, Blend Options. So in the Blend Options box I want to change specified to specified steps. So it's often default on smooth colour. I'm going to change it to specified steps. And I'm going to try 15 and go OK. So that is the option setup. Next we need to make the blend. So go to Object, Blend, Make. And there you have it. So it's gone from black to white, from thick to thin. And now you can have a play with adjusting the curve. And you can see that when you move them over the top of one another, it creates this three-dimensional effect. Okay, so if you want to adjust the steps in between, you need to release the blend. So go to Object, Blend, Release. And now we can change those steps. So Object, Blend, Blend Options. And we're going to change this to 8. And now Object, Blend, Make. And there you have 8 steps in between. As you can see, this is still a live path, so it's got the blend tool working live. If you want to adjust it so you can select the individual paths, you'll need to expand your shape. So selecting it, go Object, Expand, and go OK. And now you can see that each of these can be individually edited and adjusted or moved. So for this example here, I was blending between two wavy lines. So quite a lot of fun of patterns you can make by doing this. So I've created my two waves, I've made a duplicate, and I'm going to make one of them white. And now select, Object, Blend, Blend Options, and I'm just going to increase this to 15 again. And Object, Blend, Make is Control Alt B. So now that I've got my blend made, I can adjust this. So by moving it, you can see it creates very different effects and patterns. And again, I can do the same with my zigzag line. select both, Control Alt B, select my individual path and adjust moving it. So experiment with this. Remember, it doesn't have to just be paths that you blend between, you can also blend between two shapes. So we'll have a quick play with that. We'll create a circle. And a square. And there I've blended between the two. So you can see you can really experiment with this technique.